Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are just going to explore some other place just like we did last time. So if you haven't checked out last time's vlog, please go and do it. So I think we are going to Kotigaon today. Not sure. He's leading the way, Prithviraj and Vishreta again. And Kotigaon is towards Kankon. So right now he's just left from Prithviraj's place, and we are headed towards Kankon. We are climbing or riding on the Karmal Ghat right now. It's nice and green. And it's always a joy to ride on these ghats. This is one of my favorite places to ride. Got just the right amount of curves, and the road is also good enough without much potholes or anything. So we are crossing a small village called Padi and headed towards Kankon. The suspension on this bike is so damn good that you do not have to come to a complete still when you cross even big speed breakers. You can just ride over it. the gravel makes it a little scary on turns. So you're going all nice and smooth, and suddenly on a turn you find gravel. It's quite scary. This one's quite a sharp turn, so always have to be careful on this one. Had some pretty close calls on this turn in the past. I think a truck has broken down over here. It's right in the middle, so you will have to be careful over there. Continuous traffic. I'm taking my time to overtake this guy. We have reached the Kankon city. So I don't know the road now, so I have to keep following Prithviraj and Vishreta. So we have to go to Kotigaon basically, the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. That's where we are heading, in search of some waterfalls in there. Full mood to explore today. Actually, that's always my mood.
एक जागो आसा फुडें आमकां थंय न्ही आमकां माशाची तळी वचपाचें दिसता
मागीर मागीर
तो रस्तो दाखयता थंय म्हणलें हांवें थंय विचारचें पडटलें लोकल्सांक
ते ताका खबर नाशिल्लें माश्याची तळी खंय ती माश्याची तळी ताका खबर नाशिल्ली चल
टमाटो दाखला ना
So, so you were saying that the cow shat tomatoes directly. Don't know what did the cow did exactly, but yeah. This is quite pleasing. Accident prone zone, so better sit down. Yeah. Getting a feeling it's going to rain soon. Hope for the best. Now we are inside the wildlife sanctuary. We actually crossed a small barricade behind. Asking for directions again. Yeah, so we have sorted a few things out. So the original place that we were supposed to go, it's called Mashachi Tari. We have to walk quite a bit for that. I think it's around 2 hours of walk. The bike doesn't go there. So instead, we're going to check or go to another waterfall, Kuske waterfall. And I don't think we have to walk much. The bike goes quite close to the waterfall. And after that, if there's something close by, we'll try and explore that too. Yeah, so let's go. And since it's rained quite heavily in the past 4-5 days, I'm expecting that the water level should be quite good. Let's see, fingers crossed. Looks like it has rained here quite heavily just a few minutes back, because you can see the water dripping from the trees, which almost feels like a drizzle. Look at that, guys. I'm not sure if the camera can do justice to the view, but it's really damn amazing. The mountains have been covered with fog or clouds. Looks really good. Cannot get too distracted. Focus on the road. I'm trying my best not to.
आमी एक बारीक हे करया मागीर डीप आनी रोखडे भायर सरया मागीर तो रावणा डोंगर पळोवपा मेळटा लेट गो वॉटरफॉल.
So we had to park our bikes behind. Not sure if our bikes would have fitted over here. They would have, but the locals insisted that we walk. So yeah, we're walking right now. Today I've got my stick, not lazy like last time. Small water stream to cross. I'm wearing gumboots today, so just going to go through it. It's a steep climb actually. No way the bike could have made it here. See for yourself.
Spot the frog.
We have just spotted a frog.
It's a rare species.
And we are suspecting that it's a rare species. Let's go. Hoping to find a few more frogs. And one of our friends is in disbelief right now. After climbing for just a few steps, we are tired right now because slope is kind of steep and we did not expect it to walk so much. So yeah, taking it slowly and steadily, step at a time. Right now I think I'm not interested in frogs also. There was a slip. You have to be more careful and stop mentioning frogs. Yeah, way to go. So we are right where I stopped the video last time. Not making much progress. We found some kokum fruits on the way, quite nice and juicy. Not sure what we're going to do with it, but yeah. After much hard work and slogging our ass, we have finally managed to reach somewhere. We are not exactly sure if we are near the top. It's almost been 20 minutes that we are climbing this steep slope mountain. We can hear the water. Hope that's the one, because we are really tired right now. Here's a shot of me looking tired. Amazon what na? Where? Think it's even more higher. Catch you after some time. Let me catch my breath. Now I'm more worried about how I am going to get down, but let's think about that later. Let's first think about getting on top. This is not what we had in mind, but probably wouldn't have come here if we knew that this was going to be so tiring. I think we are lost right now after walking for more than 50 minutes. Almost an hour, you can say. We cannot see any signs of the waterfall. We are dead tired right now. Thinking about going back because there's no other option, and our legs are also giving up on us. Rituraj is going to check if there is something ahead, but very unlikely that there is. So I guess we have to go back from where we started. So we're headed down now. We can see a waterfall over there. Not sure if it's visible on the camera, but we cannot find any way to get there. The view is amazing though, but still we couldn't find the waterfall. And it's starting to rain also a little bit, making things a little worse. But yeah, let's go down. We're going to take another break out of the many that we have already taken. There are a few stones over there, so they are kept as seats, so nice and comfortable. Actually, at this point anything is nice and comfortable. So we're just going to sit here for some time. I'm going to take this one. Nah, there seems to be no way to any waterfall right now, so we are just going to have a sip of water, probably rest for some time. So after walking so much, we are right where we started.
Hey, hi. Yes.
She's the one who survived it.
Yes.
So our bikes are parked over there, like 5 minutes from here, and another 5 minutes you take a left from this house and you actually reach towards the waterfall. I'm not kidding you, we walked at least an hour one way and we were close to dying today. This was one of the biggest bloopers in my life. We actually climbed a freaking mountain. That one, we were actually on top over there. Exactly. It was a experience, cannot say a good one, but yeah, now we are headed to the right place. We are confirming the way once again. We are not taking any risk in life henceforth. So Ishweta has gone to ask the way again.
Don't follow Google Maps.
Don't follow Google Maps, yeah.
Don't follow Google Maps, please.
Humble request.
Ask the locals.
Humble request. Actually, we had read in a review that there are some pebble steps, and I think we have finally found them. Never been happier in my life after seeing steps. Before my battery runs out, trying to go get on top. Barefoot right now, so I have to walk a little slowly. Probably my last shot. Behold the mighty Kuske waterfall. The staircase ends here, and this is the beautiful waterfall. You can even go up there, but it's a little risky right now, and taken a lot of risk today, so I'm done for today. Yeah, so mostly this is the end of the vlog. Signing out. I think I've said that. Thank you for watching, guys.